What up, guys? We are back with another video. I already did the prank, y'all, but I couldn't do the intro before because I would have Whitney would have heard it. I already know all y'all Whitney supporters gonna have something to say, but who cares? It's about Team Jessie. Let's go! Let me know if y'all think I went too far. If you a Jessie supporter, Team Jessie, then comment below and let me know. Team Jessie, alright, y'all? Don't forget to like. And if you ain't subscribed, subscribe right now, alright? Let's get to it.
It's like a real boxing match. Throw punches, go for the knockout, go for the win. If you haven't been following closely, Andy Foster, the executive director of the California Commission, has been very upfront in saying, along with the rules you outlined, that there will not be a winner in this match. The fighters will not be allowed to go for the knockout. The first sign of blood or a cut, the fight will be stopped. There will be no judges officially, although the WBC has appointed some ex-fighters to be quote-unquote judging from home. Look, it's very confusing. There's a lot of what-ifs here.
I don't know if there's going to be a lot of pressure overtime all of a sudden.
Corona's shoulders in terms of whether they will actually
what you're
paying your
they all
money
laugh
to
at
see,
Sidechick.
which is two all-time greats getting back on the saddle one more time and letting their hands go. Now,
they goofy.
They both said you can call the exhibition.
But sometimes, I don't know, people need Sidechick sometimes.
We're going for the knockout.
Sometimes.
You just hope, Hakeem,
I'm not saying I
the
do.
safety of both, but number two, that if this thing heats up, nobody jumps in and gets in the way of it.
It's going to be
fun
to watch, and Mike Tyson looks incredible. He's ripped. I mean,
what that's supposed to mean?
Sometimes people need Sidechick.
What's the motivation for
Mike
Tyson to get back in the ring?
I'm not saying I got a Sidechick, like, I don't need a Sidechick. I mean,
so what the fuck that mean? Because you sitting here saying sometimes people need side chicks. So what that mean? What that supposed to mean?
I mean, sometimes people need side chicks. That's it.
So you need a side chick?
Right.
Who are some people? Does that include you? Because why would you say sometimes people need a side chick? That don't make no sense what you're saying.
I'm not saying it's. I don't know. I don't need
what? Spit it out, because you got something to say. Just go ahead and say it. Because you're going to sit here and talk about sometimes people need side chicks.
Relax,
what that supposed to mean?
Look, calm down, alright? Calm down, okay? Calm down. Why are you getting so happy?
I'm calm.
You getting mad for nothing.
You know what? Not today, Devil.
Okay.
Not today, Devil.
Alright, babe.
I'm sitting here on my phone having a good time.
I'll be straightforward with you. Sometimes you can be boring, okay? Sometimes you can be boring, that's it.
What you mean sometimes I can be boring?
Sometimes you need some excitement. Something.
Like what?
Guys like excitement.
Like what? What kind of excitement do y'all want to not
You don't do nothing. You don't smoke. You don't drink. You don't party. You know what I'm saying? You can be boring sometimes. That's all. But I'm not saying I got a side chick though. I'm faithful. But sometimes you can be boring though.
I don't understand what y'all say. I'm boring. I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't party. So that you want? You want somebody with smoke, drink, and party?
Sometimes.
You want a yummy? You want a freaking dodo bird? And that you want? So what the fuck y'all do with me?
Your breath stank, babe. Look, okay, alright, listen. I'm not saying that's what I want all the time, but sometimes you need just a little bit of excitement, that's all.
What kind of excitement you want,
I just told you.
First of all, you know when you meet me say, I don't smoke. I drink sometime, but I'm not a hard drinker. If a party I keep and you say, babes, I could go to the party, we will go with you. I don't like me no old man or no granny. I don't understand what are you trying to say? Like, what are you trying to say? I don't understand.
I'm saying that you boring and I need some excitement sometimes.
Well, go and go look for the fucking excitement then. If I let you want, go and go look feet. Go and go look feet. You never know say I'm boring all along.
All you want to do is sit down, watch Netflix all day on our days off that we get together.
So what the
wanna
fuck
lay
you
up
do? No, you
cuddle.
boring. You fucking boring because you don't drink, you don't smoke, you don't want to go to no parties. So what the fuck are you talking about? I don't understand.
Why you gotta cuss?
Because you making me mad, sitting here talking all this stuff about me.
Why you gotta cuss though?
Why you
don't have
acting
to
brand
cuss,
new?
though.
Why
You
you
don't
acting
have
brand
to
new
cuss.
though?
You don't
Why
have to
you
cuss,
acting
though.
brand new?
You don't have to cuss though.
Why are you acting brand
You
new?
don't have to cuss.
You've been new this
You
about
can't
me.
sit here and say I'm boring because you boring.
But you are. The things you telling me that I don't do, you don't do either. So what are you saying?
That you boring.
Jessie, leave me alone, please.
Maybe, okay. What
Please.
if what if we even it out? Would you let me get a side chick? To even out the odds?
Your life must have scratched you to rascal, because I can't understand. What you really say? What you really say, Jessie? Just talk. Let it out. Talk where you want talk from now. Make me get fit. Behave bad pan you. Just galang, talk. Just talk.
I just
Where you want?
sometimes you boring and maybe
You wasn't saying that shit last night?
maybe I want a side
You
chick.
wasn't saying that shit last night. Was I boring last night? Was I boring last night?
You're not boring all the time.
But you wasn't saying, you just now started saying this shit. Where the fuck, where is this coming from?
Babe, our neighbors gonna hear you.
I don't care about neighbors. They don't pay our bills. I don't care about that. What you telling me that for? They don't pay our bills. I don't care.
You asked me.
You
so I
need
told
to
you.
talk to me about what you, I don't
You asked
understand.
me, so I told you. That's it.
So you trying to tell me what they saying in that chat is true. You got a side chick.
I don't know why they said that.
So, but why you brought it up though? If what is the like what are you saying? I don't understand, Jessie. Like you really pissing me off. You really pissing me off, like for real. Cause you gonna sit here and say I'm boring. All of a sudden I'm boring, and you need a side chick and all this and that. Like what's going on?
I don't know.
Just tell me right now what you own so I can pack my shit up and leave because I'm not finna
So
do
what
this
you gonna
with
do?
you.
You gonna get mad? You gonna pack your stuff up and leave? Like
You talking about so you want a side chick? Ain't no room for no side chick.
Okay. All right, cool. That's it.
That's it, nothing. Cause
It
why would
was
you bring
worth-
that up?
It was just worth.
Why
to
would you
ask.
bring that up, though?
It was worth to ask.
Ask what?
You never know. You don't know unless you ask.
Ask what? Ask what?
Why you getting on
Ask
face?
what?
Why you
What you
getting
mean
my
why I'm
face?
getting your face? You sitting here talking about some I'm boring and you want a side chick
Yeah, you
and
better-
all this. Like what you mean?
You better back up. Sit down.
Go ahead. Say it again. Cause I don't know what you laughing at. That ain't
all
funny.
right,
That shit
all
ain't
right,
funny.
Listen.
No, go
Relax.
ahead.
You gotta relax, all right? It was just a small statement. That's it.
You need to pick your words carefully and choose them wisely.
I
That ain't
chose-
nothing you say to your wife. I want a
I
side chick.
chose my words wisely. Do you want to? Okay, raise a prank. It's pretty good.
Look
It's a
out.
break, babe. Dang. Oh man, you funny, man. Why you always getting physical with people? How you gonna have kids? Whenever they make you mad, you gonna try to fight them? Babe.
Leave me alone.
Alright. So you know I told you it was a prank, right? So why are you trying to cook me? The camera is over here behind the tree. Mad or no? She big mad, y'all. Anyways, y'all, I got her back. And now she mad. But she'll be alright though. She'll be good. Don't worry about it. She'll get over it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Until next time, y'all. Wait. Alright, y'all already know what time it is. It is motivational quote of the day. Alright, today's quote, you guys. The most powerful tool you have in your life is your mind. The Bible says, so as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. That means you are what you think. Did you know you can make yourself sick just by thinking you're sick? It's a lot of people going down the wrong path in this world, and you can go up the right path. You just have to get your mind right. If you can do that, you can get your family right, you can get your money right, you can get your career right, you can get your health right, you can get your life right. Get your mind right, guys. Get your head right. Once you get your head right, everything connected to it will follow. Manifest yourself into a new life. Change your way of thinking. Anything is possible for you, alright? But you have to think it. Once you think it, you believe it. You make those come true, alright? Your life is a movie and you are the writer, alright? It's a book and you're the author, okay? It's a story and you're the narrator, alright? You guys, the most powerful tool you have in your life, in your body, is your mind. This motivational quote was inspired by Pastor TJ Jakes. I pray that the 1% of the world watching this right now, that you become successful in your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Until next time, guys.